What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSHROD254, man. In this video, we finna get into this new little toy that we got, digital tire gauge from Slime. Let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, y'all. So as y'all know, we've been trying to clear a path. Still working on it. We had to bring out the trash bag or the gas cans, whatever, to get the cutlass back up good and running, but it's running as good. Brought the lawnmower in. I got to go back in the backyard. So it's really just kind of this right here, this little table, whatever. But as I was looking over at the bike, I noticed that the tire looked kind of low. So I thought, okay, well, need to put some air in it. The regular gauge that you put, like the little stick one, I don't really too much care for it. I mean, it's effective, it works, but this right here, that it has a little hose on it, make it easier to get there. And I thought it would be pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Plus, I always like trying out new stuff. And if it works good, you know, suggest it to y'all. If it don't, then, you know, that as well. So we'll go ahead and get it up out of the package, and then we're gonna test it out. I believe the tire on here looks a little bit low too, so we're gonna check the pressure on here and see how it works. All right, so first, check out this one. You just press the button, turn it on. I don't think it's nothing on there. It's just kind of hard to read. Take that. It's 30, 31. Like I said, it is kind of hard to read, so I don't know if that's gonna be an issue for anybody, but it is something worth being mentioned. I'll check this front tire, which we thought was a little low. Push the button again. So like 19. So front is a little low as suspected. Put some air in there. It's important to check that to make sure you're getting the best, you know, fuel economy. You also don't want to overinflate, but you don't want to underinflate either. Maybe see if it'll work a little better over here in the shade. Still just kind of hard to read, but it'll get the job done. 34.5 in that one, so that was good. So it's really just his front right one so far. Look at this one here. Press the button. It zeroes out. And 34 in that one. So, I mean, not terrible. One out of four needed some air in it. I mean, it has kind of been sitting, haven't been driving it, but definitely want to make sure that it gets what it needs. All right, so the bike has like 3 PSI, so it's all bad, all bad. So get the compressor aired up, compressed up, whatever. Oh yeah, 10,000 subscribers, we're taking off the tarp. If you wanna know what's up under there, if you don't wanna wait, memberships are available $4.99 along with unreleased exclusive footage. This is gonna be at that bill. So membership is $4.99. Grab you one if you don't want to wait for 10,000 subscribers. Find out what's up under the chart. All right, so the booster first crank in a while. They've been sitting a little bit. That's probably one of the good things. It's been sitting as long as it was. That gas has been sitting off in there. It's been a while, so it's only about like half a tank, but definitely need to get it ran out of there. I'm gonna let it get up to temp, all that good stuff. Let it cycle, let the fans come on and all that. And yeah, so I mean that pretty much wraps it up for this tool here. Like I said, not a bad tool. It's a lot easier, I guess, to see, like in a shaded area. Outside, not so much. So I guess or maybe you just gotta kind of angle it. You know what I'm saying? Not too bad. So if you need one, think about going and picking it up. If not, then stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. It's your boy LS7R254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. Gone. Good people, it's your boy LS7R254, man. Tune in for another one. As you can see, we got the truck backed out. Finna try to put this bumper on, but we run into a hiccup. Stay tuned. Alright, so what we got, man, I was looking on this website for LMC for the brackets. Now I know that these brackets was on the truck before, but something just ain't right. You know what I'm saying? I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I think something may have been finagled to try to make this work. So let me show you what it was that I had found on the LMC website. I'll put the screenshot right here. So as you can see, the bracket for the driver's side actually looks different than what I have. This one has been modified, and I just don't think that's the right one. So probably what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna probably just end up ordering new brackets and bolts before I put the bumper on there, just to make sure it's done right.